So I just took off the filter for my Jetta. Today we're gonna be changing the air filter for my Jetta 2017, and you're gonna go down here. You're gonna see 2 screws down. Took off the filter for my Jetta, the air filter for my Jetta down here. So you're gonna have to go through this. 2 of these small screws, they're made out of plastic, so you gotta be very careful and gentle when you do it. There's 2 of them, very easy. You're gonna need a flathead screwdriver, and you're gonna find this after you take this off. This is gonna be the cover. It's gonna be a cover. So all you do, you see it's like this. This is how it's gonna look, and then you're gonna slide it, and it's gonna come off right away. And you just pull this out. And I'm actually gonna be using this one, this Bosch air filter for my Jetta. This is what it looks like, and this is what the old one looks like. Very old. I bought this car about a year ago. I never changed the filter. I'm guessing they never did either. Very, very dirty. All that came out when I took it off. So after that, you just put the cover back in, screws, and you're done. That's it.